Guys, I just made $295,312 using a DeepSeek sniping bot. It sniped $Vine and it went 415 times. Then it hit JELLYJELLY, and that pumped 371 times. I tested over 300 prompts to make this bot find 100 times plays. And now, I'm making $20,000 per week, passively. Wanna know how? Stick around because I'm breaking everything down step by step. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the Coin Sniper link in the description. Let's go! It's no secret that Memecoins are the biggest money printers right now, and while most degens rely on luck, I found a way to make this completely passive with DeepSeek. This AI Sniper Bot does all the heavy lifting for you, sniping early entries, filtering scams, and automatically flipping gains. Now, why is DeepSeek better than other bots? 3 main reasons. Fully passive printing, you don't even have to be online. Algorithmic buying, no emotions, just precision. And 80% plus win rate, this thing is a beast. Alright, let's build this money printer. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Create an information field. The bot needs data to learn. I recommend creating a Twitter list and adding the best degens you know. This way, the bot gets high-quality data and maximizes your results. Step 2. Get DeepSeek to write the code. Go to #DeepSeek and give it this prompt. Write a sniper bot that analyzes my Twitter list and snipes new meme coins at launch. Make sure to provide the link to your Twitter list. Step 3. Set up a working environment. Now the bot needs a space to execute trades. Ask DeepSeek to parse token contracts and social media. Use these platforms: pump.fun, dexscreener.com, and radium.io. Step 4. Add scam protection filters. We're not getting rugged out here. To filter out scams, integrate these tools: rug check for contract safety, holder analysis and liquidity burns, and tweet scout to check if influencers are following the project. First, request a code snippet from #DeepSeek that will check a token's contract for several factors: contract safety, holder analysis, and burn liquidity. Provide the AI with a link to rug check and describe the request thoroughly. The second stage of analysis is checking the project's Twitter account. The bot should analyze audience quality by looking at the number of influencers among the followers. This is a crucial code snippet, so don't forget to describe it to DeepSeek. Our final step is integrating our bot with a sniper bot that will ensure fast meme purchases. To do this, request DeepSeek to write this specific code snippet. Be sure to provide a link to the bot and carefully describe everything. Ask the bot to add 3 personalized variables: slippage, priority fee, and amount buy. These variables will allow you to fine-tune critical aspects of the bot. The final step is to ask DeepSeek to combine all code snippets into a fully functional AI sniper bot. As a result, you will get a fully automated AI sniper bot that will outperform 99% of degens. Make sure to configure the custom variables before launching the bot. Now, tweak the settings to match your risk level and boom, you've got an AI sniper bot that outperforms 99% of degens. I personally run my bot 24/7, and it's consistently sniping absolute gems. Again, I made over $295,000 with this thing, and it's still printing. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check the Coin Sniper link in the description to start sniping today.